Hey, welcome back to the fourth installment as we look at the Victorinox Swiss Battle Series. Today, the Battle of Nafels. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The Battle of Nafels was fought on April 9th, 1388 between the Canton of Glarus with its allies the Old Swiss Confederation and the Archduchy of Austria ruled by the Habsburgs. It was a decisive Glarner victory despite being outnumbered 16-1 and was the last battle of the Swiss-Austrian conflicts that stretched through most of the 14th century. Released in 1986, the Battle of Nafels Collector's Edition was the fourth member of the Swiss Battle Series, commemorating the Battle of Nafels and honoring the Canton of Glarus. So as we see, we get our standard wooden display box, our cardboard cover that is serialized, and our information pamphlet, which I will type that information in the description below. And I highly recommend you to look at the Wikipedia webpage for this battle for more information. So as we open this up, we get our box, that red lining, our knife with gray scales, and then of course our certificate of authenticity. Okay, so we'll close our blade here for a moment. We have a 91mm knife, 4 layers wide with a tool set very similar to the Victorinox Huntsman, right at 11/16 of an inch, scale to scale, and features those Gray Cellidor scales with the inlay. Our Victorinox logo has been moved to the back, and we get our 4-turn fluted corkscrew. For serial number, we get 3767 with a year of manufacture of 1986. Get our standard reamer awl with the sharpened edge. Because we're past 85, we get our sewing eye. Get the standard opening layer with the can opener. It can also be used as a Phillips screwdriver. Get the cap lifter with a 90-degree stop. The wire bender, wire stripper, and hollow ground screwdriver. We get the scissors. Double band spring, the screw, no spring guiding groove yet. We get the wood saw, 29 tooth, right weighted, not polished. And we do not get that bump that I see. Well, yeah, we do. We do have the bump on that one. We get our standard main blade with Nafels 1388 and the crest of the Canton of Glarus etched on the main blade. For Ting stamp, we get Victorinox Switzerland stainless Rossfrei, the Officer Suisse bow and arrow that touches. And we do note that the V in Victorinox is the same size. And it might be a little bigger, so I'm going to call this the 86-92 Ting stamp. The standard pen blade, our scale tool, being the tweezers. And then we get our nice look at the inlay. So our scene here depicts the Swiss behind the town walls carrying the banner of Glarus. Nafels is a small town about 6 kilometers north of Glarus and was the scene of several skirmishes, and a monument in a nearby field commemorates this Swiss victory. So again, we get a look at that main blade etching and that inlay. And that'll do it for this knife. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.